Cinnamon crescents, also known as cinnamon crescent cookies or pastries, are a type of baked good typically made with a dough enriched with butter, sugar, and cinnamon, then shaped into crescent shapes before baking. The exact origins of cinnamon crescents are not definitively documented, but they are. One of the most famous versions of cinnamon crescents is the Austrian or Viennese Kipferl. The Kipferl is a traditional Austrian pastry that dates back to the 13th century. It is believed to have originated in Vienna, Austria. These crescent-shaped cookies are made with a delicate dough that include. Similar crescent-shaped pastries can be found in other European countries, such as Germany, Hungary, and Czech Republic, where they may go by different names but share similar ingredients and shapes. Additionally, variations of cinnamon crescents can be found in other cuisines around the world, influenced by European baking traditions. In many cases, these pastries are enjoyed as a sweet treat or dessert, often served with tea or coffee. While the exact origin of cinnamon crescents may not be pinpointed to a specific time or place, they have become a beloved pastry enjoyed by people in various cultures globally. Antioxidant properties. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are associated with reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cinnamon contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Consuming foods with anti-inflammatory properties, such as cinnamon, may help reduce inflammation. Blood sugar regulation. Some research suggests that cinnamon may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar levels after meals. This effect could be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Improved heart health. Cinnamon may have beneficial effects on heart health by improving several risk factors for heart disease, such as reducing LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels while increasing HDL cholesterol levels. Potential antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which may help fight bacterial and fungal infections. This property may contribute to overall immune system health. It's important to note that while cinnamon crescents may offer these potential health benefits, they are often high in sugar and calories, which may counteract some of the positive effects. Consuming them in moderation as part of a balanced diet is key to enjoying their flavors while maintaining overall health. Additionally, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice regarding your diet and health goals. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.